Hello, this is Scott Bicheno, editor of telecoms.com, and I'm delighted to be speaking to Nikhil Tambe of Tata Communications. So Nikhil, if we could just get straight into it, and I could ask you to talk to us briefly about the emergence of something called SASE in the past few years. What is it, and why does Tata Communications believe it's an evolution and not just a revolution?
Thanks, Scott, for the question. Enterprises today are not the same as they were 5 years ago. They have come a long way from hosting applications at data centers and moving them into cloud. With onset of cloud and network transformation, they are continuously evolving and adapting to new technologies. Therefore, as the enterprise integrated posture evolves, SASE would evolve in line. With continuous adoption of cloud access and anywhere operations, traditional security with firewalls cannot just keep up the pace and is not ideal for today's enterprise networking and security requirements. As a result, we have seen an evolution towards SASE, which is a networking and security framework that combines WAN capabilities like SD-WAN with security functions to support the dynamic, secure access needs of organization. The concept of SASE has evolved over time in response to the changing landscape of technology and business requirements.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, so what is the preferred approach organizations are taking to deploying SASE?
So there are multiple ways which an enterprise can adopt and deploy SASE in their network. So they can start with their branch modernization, where they want to connect their branches securely and adopt SD-WAN. So they can start with an SD-WAN and then slowly adopt the cloud security components like secure web gateway or secure remote access to support the remote users. Now, optionally, enterprises can also start with a secure worker use case where users are working from home and they want to enable secure remote access to these users. So secure web browsing or secure web gateway, in addition to the secure remote access, can be the starting point. They can then expand this into the SD-WAN by connecting their branches through an SD-WAN network.
So building on that, what are the advantages of working with a managed service provider for SASE deployment?
So SASE solutions can be very complex to set up and manage. It is very important to have a trusted advisor you can count on. With so many vendors and solutions on the market, it may be difficult to know which offers the best mix of capabilities, protection, and performance. Conducting multiple POCs can be costly and time-consuming. Managed service providers can remove this burden from the technology teams by evaluating vendors, conducting comprehensive interoperability testing, technical validation, and solution certification to deliver the industry's best technology elements that seamlessly work together. An experienced managed service SASE service provider has the right technology, process, and expertise to make it all work. As per the recent survey done by Omdia and telecoms.com, almost half of the organizations rely on service providers to manage and control security policies when it comes to their SASE deployment. They rely heavily on service providers for assessment, design, patch management, and threat management. Enterprise may have already started their SASE journey without knowing it. Regardless of where you are in your expedition, a managed service provider can help avoid unnecessary detours and ensure that you can reach your desired outcomes.
So to finish off, could you let us know why Tata Communications itself would be a good organization to partner with to implement SASE?
Thank you, Scott, for the question. Tata Communications provides cloud-delivered security and network services that are fit for today and scale to meet future needs. Tata Communications Managed SASE solutions provides many advantages and benefits that include specialized network and security expertise, 24/7 support, proactive security measures, and scalability. These advantages help enterprises achieve efficient, secure, and resilient network infrastructure for their business needs. Tata Communications has been recognized in the industry as a leader in Gartner Magic Quadrant for 10 consecutive years for network services globally. More than 1,000 projects have been delivered for WAN, SD-WAN, and security, with 99.8% first-time right deployment. We have 95% customer retention and renewal rates for security contracts. We also have net promoter score of 80 from satisfied customer base. Consolidation of SD-WAN and SSE using homegrown TCX web portal enhances our secure network transformation portfolio and enables us to address enterprise demands with single pane of glass, managing and enhancing security and correlating insights from our network backbone.
Okay, that's great. Thanks a lot.
All right. Thanks, Scott. Thanks for having me here, and good to talk to you as well.